In every tradition, there is beauty, pride, and confidence. When it comes to Jewish wigs, that feeling should never be compromised. You deserve the finest quality, and so do your clients. That's precisely what DEECEE Hair delivers. For years, you may have searched for the perfect wig, one that meets the highest standards. You've tried vendors from various countries, yet something was always missing: quality, longevity, and comfort. That's where DEECEE Hair comes in. We don't just sell wigs, we sell confidence and empowerment. Why choose DEECEE Hair? Because cheap wigs may save you money today, but they will cost you tomorrow. They tangle, shed, and lose their shine. When that happens, your clients lose trust. That's why we do things differently. Our wigs are made from 100% unprocessed Indian temple virgin Remy hair, sourced from single donors. There's no mixed or damaged hair, only pure, luxurious strands designed to last. And the craftsmanship? Unmatched.
Our 5x5 Jewish silk-based wigs create an ultra-realistic scalp-like appearance.
100% handmade, skilled artisans meticulously secure each knot, resulting in no shedding and no tangling. Pre-bleached knots. No extra work is needed. You get a flawless, natural hairline. Free parting. Style it any way you want, allowing for total flexibility. Imagine a wig so light and breathable that your clients forget they're even wearing one. A silk base so seamless, it looks like hair growing naturally from the scalp. A texture so soft that they won't be able to stop running their fingers through it. This is more than just a wig. It's an experience, a legacy of trust and excellence. For over 10 years, DEECEE Hair has been setting the standard in Jewish wigs. With 2 state-of-the-art factories and more than 80 skilled artisans, we deliver wigs that last, move, and shine, just as real hair should. If you're ready to elevate your business and offer your clients something truly exceptional, the choice is clear. Invest in quality, invest in DEECEE Hair. Order today and experience the difference.